One of ABI's most innovative arena drag features are the patented profile blades that can be found on the Dragmaster and are options on the classic TR3. The profile blades were designed to completely eliminate these hard spots with every single pass. Keeping the right amount of moisture in your footing is important for cushion, purchase, shear strength, and of course, dust control. However, when you have moisture in your footing, and as your horses travel throughout the arena, they compress the footing to the point where there are hard inconsistencies that you cannot see, but your horse can feel. Simply grooming an arena with a harrow or S-tine drag only smooths out the hoof prints and does not address the real issue below the surface. It's the inconsistent hard spots that keep a horse from giving itself to training, and that causes many of the soundness injuries that bring on expensive vet bills. These blades slice through the footing right above the arena base, breaking loose the compaction and eliminating all the ridging that can be felt when using a drag with perpendicular, loosening teeth. These revolutionary profile blades have literally changed the way arena footing is maintained all over the world. But make no mistake, these profile blades are not just for the arena. These blades are heavy duty, and when using the TR3 E Series for gravel road maintenance, make sure to use them after using the ripping teeth to loosen the gravel. This powerful combination will make you believe your gravel road is brand new.